Opera wine, opera wine, opera wine.
I am Michele Chiaro. I represent the Michele Chiaro Winery. The wine selected is Barolo Cerecchio 207.
3 words to describe your wine.
My wine, it is my most important wine because it comes from one of the most important single vineyard in the Barolo area. And of course, we have the great exposure, great property in this very famous single vineyard Barolo Criollo.
How do you make people fall in love with your wine?
I think because Cerecchio Barolo, it is a wine with a great fascinating because you have incredible elegance and complexity, and this wine is able to have incredible evolution during the years.